Countdown is on as senators consider President Trump's nominee for the Supreme Court.
Missouri Senator Claire McCaskill meeting with him tomorrow, and it comes as her opponent Josh Hawley weighs in on the nomination. New at 10 o'clock, 41 Action News reporter Dia Wall finds out what they both think.
Josh Hawley stopped here at JPI Glass in the Northland as part of his working tour across the state. But he took a break from the campaign trail to talk about the Supreme Court ahead of Claire McCaskill meeting with the nominee, Brett Kavanaugh.
He has a tremendous record as a judge, 300 opinions affirmed by the United States Supreme Court 11 times.
Missouri Attorney General Josh Hawley wholeheartedly supports Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh. This week, Kavanaugh is meeting with top Democrats like Dianne Feinstein, and tomorrow, the Senator Hawley is trying to unseat.
I want to talk to him about the Citizens United case, which I think is the worst Supreme Court decision of our lifetime. It is corrosive and damaging to our democracy to have this much domination of dark money. By the way, this door swings both ways.
Kavanaugh is 53 years old and a former George W. Bush staffer.
What it really comes down to for me, though, is he is pro-Constitution.
In their meeting, McCaskill also plans to ask the nominee about health care and his record. All this in the midst of a fight for documents from Kavanaugh's time in the Bush administration.
Our courts have been a haven for the little guy to have a shot. And that's what I'm looking at right now in his opinions. How many times has he heard the argument of the little guy and decided that that's the side he wanted to be on?
Hawley's focus is a little different. He says this confirmation comes down to values.
We want a judge who will apply the Constitution as the people wrote it. He has a record of doing that.
In Kansas City, Dia Wall, 41 Action News.
Meanwhile, Kavanaugh's confirmation hearings are set to begin on September 4th. He needs 50 votes to join the court.